So, my sister Jessica is constipated, and she has to drink this stuff to make her go poo. It tastes really bad. Here she is.
Get the camera away, don't.
Drink it.
I'm not drinking it if it was videotaping.
Okay.
Airbrushing and special
Let me see.
effects.
I'll fix it.
She turned it off.
For trained collision repair and customization technicians, you could be
Just drink it.
Call or visit us online.
Why can't I put it in a cup?
Prepare for a rewarding career at Lincoln College of Technology. Class sizes are limited, so call now.
Hey.
Every year, many of our members save hundreds on auto insurance through AAA Texas. Are you?
Drink it.
And I literally fell out of my...
Drink it.
It's gonna hurt you.
Jess, if you don't drink it, you're not going to be able to poop.
And then you'll be constipated and it'll kill you.
Just drink.
I'm not gonna chug it. It's water.
Chug it. It helps it.
No. Chug.
Chugging is so much easier.
I don't want to chug.
Shouldn't she chug it, Mom?
Up to $407
If you chug it, you can't taste it.
Chug it.
AAA Texas. Compare that to what
Chug it.
companies like Allstate and State Farm could charge.
Chug, 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 chug.
Including a longevity discount. The longer you've been insured, the more you could save. And with AAA Your Auto.
It's not funny. It's really
accident
gross.
forgiveness.
What is it called?
Car rental. I tell everyone to get a quote. It's free.
Magnesium citrate oral solution.
So smart. Call 888.
You still have a little more to
It
drink.
tastes bad.
No, she's got more to drink.
Drink it.
Cool, the Black Plague was killing it.
Just chug it. Don't taste it. Chug it. It is easy.
Go chug, 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 chug. Aaron, you can't hear in your stupid camera.
Yeah, you can when you put it on the computer, retard.
Oh. Chug it!
Tanya was just trying to get put on.
Have you gone with your movie yet?
Not yet, but I will soon.
Jessica, chug it, chug it.